this championship game between the Chinese Taipei national team and the PBA Centennial team ng Pilipinas. At makikita naman nyo, punong-puno po tayo ngayong araw na to in anticipation ng war para dito sa 21st William Jones Cup. Ito naman ang starting lineup kinito ng ating koponan, ang Pilipinas. Makikita natin dyan na nandyan si Marlo Aquino, of course, sa gitna.
Yes, and Marlo Aquino along with Vergel Meneses, Johnny Barrientos, Kenneth Durandez, and Alvin Patrimonio.
Oh, and those 5 players have really been big and key players sa ating kampanya dito sa Jones Cup so far, Kinito. We know that Kenneth Durandez has been our top scorer and Marlo Aquino, one of our better, if not the best defensive player. On the other hand, ito naman ang koponan ng Chinese Taipei.
Well, partner, key players to watch out for. Number 12, si Cheng Chi-lung. Siya isang half American, no? Siya parang idolo ng Chinese Taipei in terms of basketball. At number 15 player is their tallest player, 6'7", si Huang. Those are the 2 key players of Chinese Taipei team, and they have 5 players who played on the 6th place team that participated sa ABC in Riyadh last September.
This is not a very tall lineup, Pinito, but alam natin ang estilo ng mga Chinese, mabibilis at maliliksi, ano?
Yes, kahawig ng South Korea ang playing style ng Chinese Taipei. No? They've got good outside shooters, particularly focusing on Lo Xin Yang, who wears number 5. Siya ang kanilang 3-point shooter. Pati na rin si Ching Chu-lun, no? The half-American player who is also a scorching outside shooter.
Well, the Philippines entering this championship game undefeated, mga kaibigan. We've won 5 games here in the Jones Cup. At makikita mo, meron din silang pumping it up there. And alam mo, for the first time, medyo ang ating kuponan dito hindi makakakuha ng hometown crowd.
Actually, medyo maganda rin ang suportang binibigay ng ating mga kapwa Pilipino who happen to be working in Taipei.
That's
and
right.
Come out in full force to give support to our Centennial team. And partner itong championship game, so appropriate because Chinese Taipei and the Philippines remain the only unbeaten teams dito sa Jones Cup.
And immediately, ang bumutas ng ating net, si Cheng ng Chinese Taipei. And the crowd goes wild here as the Republic of China goes on top by 2 points here and in the start of our championship game.
Partner, si Cheng has a lot of moves down the baseline, also a good outside shooter.
Sablay ang tira ni Patrimonio.
Si Cheng, partner, happens to be the highest salaried basketball player sa China. Ang average salary yata niya on a month is about mga 250,000 pesos.
Aba.
Equivalent.
Pwede na siyang parang starter dun sa ating PBA. Samantala sa blind tira ni Wang. Here's Vergel Meneses, or rather Kenneth Durandez.
Very composed. Very composed ang Philippine team natin. No?
Meneses. Inilabas ki Durandez. 3-point shot. Wala.
So far, wala pang naipapasok na tira ang Philippine team. Good defense being played by Chinese Taipei, but they're allowing that outside shot. So long as hindi makapasok ang Philippine team, sabi siguro ng Chinese coach, okay lang.
Cheng again inside, pero wala. Yung kanyang layup this time, makikita mo mataas lumundag itong si Cheng, ha? And he has very quick reflexes.
Well, he's 6'3.5". Yes, he does have good springs. Pero mahirap, partner, kung titira siya sa ilalim tapos nandun si Marlo Aquino, you'll really have to think twice.
Oh, Barrientos gets away from his man. And the Philippines is on the board with our first 2 points. Tabla po ang ating score, 2-all.
No, partner, you hear the cheering in the background. There is a lot of Filipino support sa stadium.
And you can see the Philippine flag prominently displayed dyan po sa background sa Municipal Stadium ng Taipei. Outside shot, Cheng, wala na naman, rebound. Picked up by number 8.
Offensive rebound ng Chinese Taipei. That's an area the Philippines really must work on. Yung taking care of the defensive boards and not giving the opposition second, third attempts at the basket.
Here's that last move ni Lo. This is Lo Xin Yang getting a foul from Johnny Barrientos in slow-mo po yan. Brought to you by McDonald's.
Partner,
bad pass.
Yes, bad pass, a turnover. And entering the finals, partner, the Chinese Taipei beat Japan 71-68. the same team that we beat in overtime, 90-87.
So 3 puntos din.
Oo.
Pareho lang.
Pero sa atin, nag-overtime sa kanila within regulation.
Oo nga.
At tayo naman, entering the finals, we beat Korea.
Marlo Aquino, yes, stretching for the finger roll, and the Philippines on top by 2, 4-2. Alam mo
Very
si...
serious ang yung itsura ng ating mga Philippine players, no?
They have their game faces today.
Yes, very determined look on their faces.
Well, it's been 13 years since we last tasted the Jones Cup. In the meantime, si Cheng muli nakabutas ng ating depensa at mukhang yung depensa sa loob hindi masyadong mahigpit. Ano kinito?
O partner, nakakawala si Cheng, no? In the baseline move, he's got nice moves, so they need to be able to be careful not to give him that opportunity.
Oh, nice move mula kay Doremdes. Yes. At napasok. Kenneth Doremdes, who has played a statement tournament in this Jones Cup, has certainly blossomed as our top gunner. Gives the Philippines a 2-point lead.
While entering the finals, ang average ni Kenneth Doremdes dito is 16.4 points, no? And he has averaged, or he has hit in double figures in 4 or 5 games so far. The only time when he didn't score in double figures was in our 50-point blowout of Thailand.
That's right. Hindi naman siya kailangan gumawa na doon. And you see the Philippine crowd. Oh boy. Ang dami nating kababayan na talagang lumabas dito at manood itong championship game na ito.
No,
alam nila, marami silang pwedeng i-cheer dito no ganito.
Oh, yes, something to cheer about. 3-point shot, set shot. Galing kay Verhel Meneses.
PLDT long distance shot from the aerial Voyager. And the Philippines now storms ahead by 5 points here. Panoorin natin ulit ito. Set shot. Bottom of the net.
A high arching shot by Verhel Meneses. Sabi niya, yes! Partner, iba talaga if you're playing for the Philippines.
Oo, iba talaga.
You're full of pride, and when you hit that shot, doubly emphatic ang expression mo.
Alam mo yun ang sinasabi nga rin ng maraming tao. Makikita mo dito sa mga manlalaro natin as we take a look at this last foul ni Verhel Meneses. It's different when you look at them now. Hindi ba yung tatamad-tamad, hindi ba yung tatamlay-tamlay? They're really playing with a lot of fire, and it's different when you wear that Philippine flag on your chest. Talagang iba yung pakiramdam. Lalong-lalo na tayo dito sa Maynila na talagang everybody is praying for this PBA Centennial team. Oh, a 3-point shot. Mula kay number 13, Lee. Lee Yun Kung. Maliit ito pero marunong ding bumira sa labas.
Mukhang deadly. And partner, there's never been any doubt that we had the talent. Man for man, as far as Asian basketball is concerned, we have the talent. Yung lang yung preparation and yung training time. Pero ngayon, with the excellent preparation being given to the Centennial team, and dito natin makikita yung kagalingan natin in the Asian realm.
And of course, yung bunga ng paghihirap nitong koponan ni Coach Tim Con. They've really done everything to prepare for the Asian Games, and a great move inside from number 6 man, that is Lin Xinghua.
Ito si Lin, partner, is 6'6 and a half, so he's got the height to be able to move inside and power.
Nearly 5 minutes gone by dito po sa championship game ng Jones Cup. Marlo Aquino on the post once again, and it will be very difficult for the Chinese to stop Marlo pag nandun sa pwesto niya.
He's the tallest man on the floor, and definitely he will post up, he will want the ball, and he's got the agility to make those moves to the basket.
Lee, siya po nagdadala ng bola ngayon para sa Chinese Taipei. The Philippines on top by 2. Lumabas sa screen. Binalik kay Wang. Rather, that is... Sino ba yun? Rebound ni Wang. Pero natapik ang bola. Libre-libre si Doremdes. Tinaktak ng dalawang kamay. And the Philippine crowd now going wild here, as the Philippines goes back on top by 4 with 14 and a half remaining for the first half.
Partner, even the Chinese Taipei fans must applaud, no? Because that was just a spectacular play by Kenneth Doremdes. No? Filipino ka man o Chinese Taipei fan, a play like that deserves applause.
And a good tap mula kay Johnny Abarientos on that drive by Lin Xinghua. At ang Pilipinas once again back on top and in possession.
Alam mo, partner, ang chemistry ng Philippine team, nakikita natin, no? So unselfish, they're passing the ball around, looking for the open man, and that pass coming from Marlo Aquino, Alvin Patrimonio using the glass. What more can you say?
Alam mo, precisely, Quirito, the big difference in the game of the Philippines now is their crisp passing. Ang bilis na ng pasa. They don't handle the ball too long, but they're very patient on their offense.
Yes, at partner, yung tentativeness na pinakita ng Philippine team in that exhibition against China, hindi na natin nakikita ngayon.
Exactly.
And the point that Coach Tim Cohn made after that exhibition game against China was, ang kailangan itong team na to, sabi niya, game exposure, yung experience, yung gelling by gaining the experience and exposure of playing together. Eto, nakukuha na ngayon ng Centennial team natin.
At nakukuha na rin po natin yung outside shooting. Johnny Abarrientos banging away from the outside. And it seems like the Chinese Taipei team will need a timeout as the PBA Centennial team goes berserk here in the first half. We're on top as we take a look at this last three-point bomb. The number 13 Lee, and of course the inside shot, the number 6 Lin, but that's not enough to overhaul a big Philippine lead as Kenneth Durandez goes all the way to the hole. Welcome back mga kaibigan dito sa championship game ng 21st William Jones Cup. Noli Iyala po kasama si Kinito Henson para sa VTV. And it's been an exciting first few minutes of this game. Kinito, we're on top by 7, 18-11.
Partner, what can you say? Marlo Aquino getting the points inside. Meron tayong outside shooting. Yung running attack nando doon. Ang ganda ng pinapakita ng depensa ng Philippine team. Everything seems to be working, no? The gelling, the chemistry, nandito na, no? And the championship is here for the taking.
Abot tanaw na nga, ika nga yung corona ng Jones Cup. Ika nga, naaamoy na natin. And we're certainly going for it. But of course, this Chinese Taipei won't be here if they're not a tough nut to crack.
Well, of course, we all know that itong host team, no?
Oo.
Ito, number 14 player. Yes.
Yun ang mga lipad. Numero 12 na naman. Si Cheng na naman.
Si Cheng. Akala ko number 14 yun. But yes, it's that half American, half Chinese. Again, scoring.
Cheng Chi-Lung getting another basket from the outside. Marlo Aquino nilabas si Vergel Meneses. Open jumper. Patay na naman para kay Vergel Meneses, who is slowly picking up his scoring here. He's been very quiet sa opensa niya in the last maybe 5 games, but certainly today they know this is it. This is the championship.
O partner, parang napapansin yata ng Centennial team that yung depensa ng Chinese Taipei is not extending to stop the outside shooters.
Maluwag ano?
Oo, maluwag na maluwag. Kanya our Philippine players are getting nice looks and they're getting good attempts.
Oh, nice follow-up mula kay Wang off a miss there. Wang getting an offensive rebound. No boxing out from the Philippines. Watch this again. This slow-mo brought to you by McDonald's, and a great follow-up mula kay Wang, ha?
Yes, a nice penetration, but ang magandang pinakita ni Marlo Aquino, tumuloy siya sa depensa.
Ito naman, sablay lamang yung dakdak. And no foul. Speeding to the front court, number 13, that's Lee, and he gets the basket. We'd like to thank FedEx, the transportation company of the Jones Cup games. FedEx will live to deliver.
Partner, big run here by Chinese Taipei. Goes to show you that this team really wants to win this championship, no? Maganda rin yung timeout na tinawag ng Chinese Taipei to stop the momentum. Eto,
naupuan yung pa. Naupuan ni Mando yung pa nitong player ng Chinese Taipei. Tuloy hindi makapasa. Inside, nice move mula kay Wang. And they've made a run, a big run here. It's all tied at 20-all.
Well, partner, yung si Wang was able to get that shot in because si Marlo Aquino stayed in the backcourt.
Oo.
So he was able to score unmolested. Alam natin ito si Wang is 6'7", 27 years old. Ito naman si Marlo. Ito ninyo, skyscraper.
6 points in the ball game para kay Marlo Aquino. Great pass inside. Panoorin natin ulit ito. This slow-mo brought to you by McDonald's, and this slam dunk brought to you by Marlo Aquino.
You know what, partner, dito si Marlo, once he sets his mind to scoring and playing defense, he is definitely one of the best talents we have seen for a big man.
Oh,
in a long time.
Grabe rin ang outside shooting, ha? Dito, sito na naman si Cheng.
Partner, dapat siguro dikitan na natin dito si Chen. Either that or maybe double team him because he is getting away with a lot. Laro mo to.
Muntik na naman yun. And here they come again. Run and gun.
Ito, binibilisan talaga ng Chinese Taipei. And there will be a foul, and Alvin Pachamonyo said he was shoved. No, that foul will stick. It will be on Alvin.
And the one drawing the foul was Lee, number 13 man, and the speedy guy, 2 fakes, goes up. Nakakuha siya ng foul mula kay Alvin Patrimonio. Matapang itong player na to, ha?
Alam mo, ang hirap gawin nun, ha? You know, he could have skidded. Hindi naman.
Medyo, muntik na.
Kumuntik na. Pero ang hirap gawin nun, no? On the dead run, he stopped. 2 fakes. And he picked up the foul from Alvin Patrimonio.
Lee Yun Kong. Alam mo itong Chinese Taipei nito, bagamat sila ang host, they're showing that they deserve to play here. And certainly, maganda naman ang performance ng Chinese Taipei. Have they won the Jones Cup ever?
Never. Chinese Taipei once finished second in this tournament nung yatang 1994, kung di tayo nagkakamali, no? But Chinese Taipei has never won this championship that was started in 1977 in honor of the first FIBA Secretary General si William Jones of Great Britain.
Kaya naman nakikita mo overflow crowd dito po sa Municipal Stadium ng Taipei. Nice pass and alley-oop play para kay Berhel Meneses. You really can see na nag-gel na itong ating mga bata. No?
Partner, medyo napapabayaan na natin ang Chinese Taipei because Chinese Taipei was able to get the lead. Here's a three-point shot. Yes! Chinese Taipei has opened up a three-point lead here with good outside shooting coming from the big man. Ito mga katoto natin. Sabi nila.
Bawa kami doon.
Bawa sila doon sa, well, you know, definitely, a 6-7 player scoring from three-point range is something to marvel at.
Oo. Si Michael Jordan lamang ang gumagawa. Saka si Scottie Pippen eh. Ito, Barrientos, maliit ito. Sasaksak sa loob. Floater, oh, beautiful shot from the flying A. And that lead is cut down to 1, 27-26. Lamang pa rin po ang Chinese Taipei.
Partner, palagay ko, kayang-kayang i-one-on-one ng Philippine Chinese defense.
Natay.
See earlier.
Nice tap.
2 baskets in a row for Johnny Barrientos. Good defense on one end. And he gets the job done on the other.
Proud to be a Filipino. Yan po sinasabi ng ating mga kababayan dyan sa Taipei. And why not? This team, the PBA Centennial team, is certainly made us proud. Manalo matalo talagang ito na yung masasabing malayo na yung ating narating dito sa ating kampanya natin dito. Nice shot muli. Si Cheng na naman ang gumawa sa labas.
Partner, you notice that Coach Tim Cone now has 2 point guards on the floor. No, si Olsen kasi lang nag-aarala ng bola. But it's very clear that Coach Tim Cone wants Johnny Barrientos to be involved in the offense.
This is the first time that they've actually used this kind of lineup at dalawang point guard.
Actually, maliliit naman kasi ang player sa backcourt ng Chinese Taipei, no?
Ito naman, dinaan na naman sa laki ni Marlo Aquino at tumulong si Lee.
You know, one thing that Olsen Rosella has shown in this Jones Cup is his ability to play pesky one-on-one defense. Ito si Marlo Aquino, foul going up.
Huling-huli si Lee Yun Kong reaching out. Laban kay Marlo Aquino. And the skyscraper will go to the free throw line now for a pair of free throws.
Well, si Lee and si Chi Chung Chi are the oldest players of the Chinese Taipei team. Both of them are 30 years old. Marlo Aquino with that familiar wrap around before taking his free throws. Hindi pumasok.
Rookie of the Year sa PBA, 1996. And perhaps one of the best talents we've ever seen as a center coming out of the amateur league in a long, long time.
I think he clearly is the most dominant big man in Philippine basketball today. And perhaps even Asia, no? We were expecting him to match up against Yamasaki of Japan sa Jones Cup, but we will see that matchup.
Natakot si Yamasaki.
Palagay ko, naiwan sa Japan. And we will see that matchup in the Asian Games sa Bangkok.
Outside shot, wala. Rebound, Dennis Espino is checked into the ball game. Espino, one of the steady players ng Pilipinas. Pinito dito sa Jones Cup. He has really played very good basketball sa ilalim ni Tim Cone. Grandes sa labas. Marlo Aquino inside, gets away again, and oh yes, difficult on the reverse. Yes, reverse layup para kay Marlo Aquino. Hello Cristel.
Alam mo, partner, ang competition dito sa Jones Cup, talagang matindi. Marami nga nagsasabi, yung Korea daw, dalawa lang yung World Championship veteran nila, yung Japan, wala nga.
Totoo ba yun?
Well, totoo nga yun, no? But still, I think the competition here is quite tough, no? If Korea wanted to hide its stars, okay lang, no? I think it will backfire. Because tinago din nila yung dalawang star nila sa World Championship sa Athens.
Problema na nila yun.
Problema nila yun.
Samantala, si Marlo Aquino, keyhole jumper, patay na naman. And Marlo Aquino having a field day here.
Partner, a big man like Marlo, he can simply score over anyone else on the floor because he is that tall.
Oh.
And alam natin ito si Marlo when he takes his jump shot, both his arms are raised above his head. There's no way you can block his jump shot.
Dominating this first half. Narito si Lee. Binigay kay Wang from the outside. Oh, the big man can shoot. Oh, yes indeed. Ayan na naman.
Kanina pa nagsasambay itong dalawa eh.
Diba may kamag-anak yata ni John Strickland yung mga yun. 33-32 is the score. 1 point lead para sa Republic of
It's
China.
really been close, and the Republic of, or rather the Chinese Taipei team still can't give up the lead to the Philippines.
Oh, mahirap itira yung turnaround ni Dennis Espino falling down. And Lee has the leather. Inside the Law. Inilabas muli kay Lee. Inilabas kay Xiang, a new guy inside the basketball court, and sablay ang kanyang tira from the outside. Marlo Aquino now beginning to walk. Aquinito, alam nating medyo
Alam mo, this game has been played at a very fast pace.
up and down pace. Babakang napag-aralan ng Chinese Taipei yung defense, yung play na yun. Another offensive rebound. Marlo Aquino, wala. And a rebound by Xiang.
A lot of bumping and grinding partner right to si Marlo Aquino. I think might be a little tired at this stage. Tuwan-tuwa itong mga fans ng Chinese Taipei because now they have another shot. And yes!
Oh, another one from Wang.
Another 3-point shot. Eto na naman yung dalawa. Yung dalawang komiko. At partner, this is a 4-point lead.
With 5:20 remaining here in the first half. Abarientos off the glass. Wala. Rebound na naman ng Chinese Taipei. And now, the Chinese Taipei making the Philippines pay at mukhang yung depensa natin has to extend. Dito, puro lapas ang tira nito mga Chinese Taipei
Well,
players.
especially one, no? The number 15 player who's supposed to be a low post player taking the shot from 3-point range.
Low. Cross-court pass. Dangerous pass. To number 14, that is Wu. Wu Ju Wei.
Maganda yung defense ni Marlo Aquino. He distracted that.
Well, the Chinese Taipei team has made a run and they have overtaken the Philippines here behind tremendous outside bombing. Kami po ni Ginito ay babalik right after these.
Ang ganda ng outside shooting na pinapakita ng Chinese Taipei, no? They've been able to rain those rainbows, draining them, and apat na lamang ng Chinese Taipei at this stage.
Talking about Alan Kaidik, nasa loob na siya kasama si Jojo Lastimosa at si Jun Limpot. Completing the cast, Dennis Espino and Olsen Racela, and Kaidik takes his first shot. Patay kagad! And we're talking about Alan Kaidik. Welcome, Mr. Kaidik.
My partner, sa nakikita natin depensa na pinapakita ng Chinese Taipei, no? It's almost a combination of a man-to-man defense and zone. Kasi once that ball is inside, they really don't go man-to-man, no? They rely on their zone to stop the penetration.
And look at this, Benito, ang tumatao kay Cheng, si Olsen Racela. Cheng is the hottest hand on the floor para sa Chinese Taipei. Sablay ang tira, offensive rebound. Number 6, that is Lin, kicks it out. Cheng again. Almost loses his footing, pero may bump foul na tatawag laban kay Olsen Racela.
Partner, I think this is great recognition on the part of Coach Tim Cone to put Olsen Racela on the top gunner, no, si Cheng. At alam ni Coach Cone ko si Olsen Racela, talagang ako maglaro ng depensa. It's so pesky.
Oh.
And he's on top of you all the time.
Talagang iinisin ka nito. Pagka medyo napikon ka dito, masisira yung laro mo. Number 7 is in the game. That is Hung Cheng Chin.
A good opportunity for Johnny Abarientos to take a rest at this stage. Eto naman, Racela versus Chen. Chen doesn't know whether to post up. Eto, yung pasa.
Lin binigay kay Wang, nabitawan. Racela getting to the ball quicker than Cheng, and he gives it to Alan Kaidik.
And that is what Olsen Racela gives this team. Yung speed, yung quickness niya, at saka yung hustle.
Oh, hindi mo pwedeng tawaran yan. And look at the Filipinas. Medyo ina-Alaska itong si Lee. Akala mo, ikaw lang. Akala mo, nasa Maynila ka, no? Well, our kababayans there, talagang proud na proud dito sa ating kupunan. Huy, napailalim. Ito si Hung. Medyo muntik ng masahod si Dennis Espino, and Hung will pick up the foul.
Malaki-laking player itong number 7.
Oh.
Si Hung, who stands 6'2".
Very stocky. Parang noliloksi ng dating, ano?
Oo.
Espino nasa labas. Laban kay Wang. Challenges. No space. Very patient ang Pilipinas. Limpot pumoposte. Alan Kaydik sa labas. Natapik. And there's gonna be a foul here.
Oh, and they're gonna give up 3 free throws. Partner, nag-man-to-man defense na sila ngayon, no? Siguro, alam nila, ito si Alan Kaydik. Tirador, especially against the zone defense.
Ayun.
Ito, tingnan natin.
Yun yung pagsundot ni Hung. Slow-mo brought to you by McDonald's.
Alam mo, partner, ito si Hung, mukha yatang enforcer, no?
Oo.
And Chinese Taipei putting an enforcer on Top Gun, the triggerman, Alan Kaydik. Masakit na foul yata yun.
Masakit yun.
Oo.
Makikita mo naman yung edad ni Alan Kaydik. Although yung pagkakailan na yan, ha? Pero pag sinabi mo, laro ko naman doon sa championship team and Jones. Andun ako. Nandun ako noong 1990 Beijing, 1994 Hiroshima. Andun ako lagi.
Alam mo, partner dito si Alan Kaydik, matalik natin na kaibigan. 35 years old nga siya, pero kita naman kung kumilos, partner, parang 25.
And remember, Alan Kaydik,
baby face pa, no?
he was a last-minute addition to this PBA Centennial team in recognition ng kanyang ginawa dun sa Commissioner's Cup, of course. Ang ating bayan ng superstar sa PBA, and certainly si Coach Tim Cohn bumilib. At alam niya nakakailanganin si Alan Kaydik pagdating sa international competition.
Alam mo, partner, yung 3-point shot, or not even the 3-point shot, just the outside shot
yes,
in the international game is such a potent weapon.
And of course, his experience will help a lot. Makikita mo yan yung the way he plays defense, the way he paces himself, the way he tries to egg on his teammates to deliver.
Alam mo, partner, ito si Alan Kaydik can also share many of his experiences with his teammates.
And I'm sure he is. He's doing that.
Well, actually, a lot of his teammates have had vast international experience. Gaya ni na Marlo Aquino,
Uy, naku naman!
Anong tira yun?
Falling down and everything. He curled to his right, ando si Espino. He curled to his left, and he was falling down when he made that basket. Si Cheng gives Chinese Taipei back a 2-point lead. Lastimosa. 1-on-1. Laban kay Lo. Lastimosa turns around off the glass. Wala. Cheng with another rebound.
Parang 2-3 zone defense yun, ha? Na nakita natin. Hindi naman talaga man-to-man.
Oo. 2 minuto, 14 na saglit po na lalabis sa ating first half. Kami po'y nagagalak na nagpupuyat kaming kayong kasama namin, mga kaibigan, para sa ating kampyonato o dito sa championship game ng Jones Cup. Noli Iyala po ang sama si Kinito Henson. Here's Cheng driving in. And there's going to be a blocking foul called against Olsen Racela.
And Olsen knew it. Partner dito si Olsen, alam yata kung anong mga tendencies nito ni Chen, no? I think he knew he was going to drive to the left. He was trying to overplay him.
You know, I like the way I like the way this Cheng plays, ha? Very sound yung kanyang fundamentals. And certainly yung kanyang quickness ginagamit niya ng gusto-gusto, ha? Ito na naman si Cheng, pumoposte naman ngayon. Inilabas niya. Libre si Lo sa labas. Wala. Rebound ni Wang. Offensive rebound. Up against Limpot. Good position para kay Wang and Chinese Taipei. Back on top by 4.
Partner, ito si Wang. He's doing a lot of damage. As well as Cheng, no? Yan ang kanilang 1-2 punch. Number 15 and number 12. Wang, a very agile player for 6'7". And John Limpot, talk about agility. Nice shot. Medium range.
The big deal, cutting down that lead ng Chinese Taipei sa 2 na lamang. Yan po nalalabing oras, 1 minute and 15. I don't recall a game where the Philippines trailed at the half, Kinito, ha? Dito sa Jones Cup so far. Outside shot, wala. And Limpot gets the rebound.
Again, Coach Tim Cohn playing the Santa Lucia connection, no? Espino at saka si Jun Limpot playing together. Ito si Jojo Lastimosa asking for the ball. Kanina nakikita natin, he was posting up. Espino looking to run the triangle.
Racela nasa labas. Poste si Dennis Espino, laban si Wang. Goes inside, natapik ang bola, and there's gonna be a foul called against Wang Chunxiong. At quickly, kinalikuran niya. Ito yung play. Boom. Uy. Lakas na hataw, pero may kasamang hagip ng kamay. Ang Chinese Taipei po, wala pa sa penalty. Baseline inbound. Nahihirapan si Olsen. Less than a minute remaining here. Philippines led by as many as 7 points kanina. 18-11. 3 points.
The trigger man, Alan Kaydik.
PLDD long distance shot. That gives the Philippines back a 1-point lead with 32 ticks remaining. Alan Kaidik feeling it now. Yes, indeed. At napakaganda ng kanyang tira. Biglang nabulabog itong coaching staff ng Chinese Taipei as the Philippines goes on top by 1 here. We'll be back for more action dito po sa Jones Cup. Welcome back mga kababayan. Yan po ang Chinese head coach. Nagbibigay ng instructions sa kanyang koponan as we're down to the last 32 seconds. Ito yung matchup kinito sa sentro, Marlu versus Wang.
Marlu Aquino being outscored and out-rebounded so far by Wang, no? Although Marlu has 2 assists. Very clear. Ito si Wang is dominating inside the paint. Well, Marlu Aquino also was sitting down for much of the first half. No? Coach Tim Cone is making good use of his bench. Ito naman ang ating mga kababayan sa Taipei.
Parang kuneta rin, ano?
Oo. Giving support to the Centennial basketball team na partner yung 3-point shot ni Alan Kaidik. No? Beautiful shot. He was asking for the ball. Nakita natin, he was asking for the ball to be passed to him. At kung nakuha niya yung bola, no second thoughts, no hesitation. Tumira agad si Alan Kaidik. Pasok, he knew it was going to go inside.
The other thing about that, Pinito, alam niya na mas maliit yung kanya yung bumabantay sa kanya. So he was taking it above the head of his guard.
At saka yung bola pumunta sa kanya. No?
Oh.
I have seen in many instances, ito si Alan Kaidik begging for the ball. At hindi na pupunta sa kanya yung bola. Pero dito sa Centennial team, I think there is great recognition and respect for each other's abilities. No? Kung malilibre or if you're feeling it, you're gonna ask the ball, you're gonna get it. Now that timeout was called by Chinese Taipei to map out the final play.
And there's going to be a foul called against Marlu Aquino with only that much time remaining. 25 seconds.
Alam mo, partner, ito si Marlu Aquino was the one who was trying to play the trap. And I don't know, no? Sayang kasi yung foul na ni Marlu, no? You need, for a big man, you need to preserve your fouls, no? At dapat hindi naman siguro ikaw ang magtatrap sa backcourt kung malaki ka.
Final moments itong first half.
And therefore, another foul. Na wala pa yata sa penalty ang Centennial team.
Wala pa.
Still, taking up a lot of those fouls, no? With less than 30 seconds to go, that's the second foul within that period. Yan po si Cheng
Chi-lung,
ang superstar ng Chinese Taipei,
who has had a hot hand. It is the first half. 7 seconds remaining. Lin, inilabas kay Lin, outside shot, wala. Rebound ni Dennis Espino. Diyan magtatapos ang ating first half. Just a 1-point lead para sa PBA Centennial team. A precarious lead against this tough Chinese Taipei team. Si Tim Cone, alam natin na maraming pag-uusapan sila ng ating koponan as we prepare for the second half in our championship game dito sa William Jones Cup. Chinese Taipei versus the Philippines will be back in just a short while. Ayan, dito po sa Municipal Stadium ng Taipei for the championship game ng Pilipinas at saka ng Chinese Taipei. Tayo po yabante at the half 41-40 at kami nagagalak na patuloy na kasama nyo kaming nagpupuyat o kasama namin kayo nagpupuyat para dito sa larong ito. And we're just about ready to start the second half. Marlu Aquino at the center circle up against Wang ng Chinese Taipei.
Exciting game at talagang championship contest na napapanood natin, no? Because it is so tight. A classic encounter between the only 2 unbeaten teams sa Jones Cup.
Even the atmosphere kinito, this is a championship atmosphere. Talaga namang saksakan ng dami pong tao. At ang tao, very animated. Oh, a great drive. Cheng was also the one who started scoring in this ball game, and he also sets the tone dito sa second half. Abante ang Chinese Taipei by 1 point, 42-41.
Partner's big role here for Kenneth Durandez. He is taking the charges for the Philippines offensively, but he's also guarding it as Cheng.
Yes, Patrimonio. Durandez.
Kenneth.
PLDD long distance shot para kay Captain Marvel. Bayan ng mga superstars indeed ng PBA Centennial team. And they're back on top by 2 points, 44-42. Alam natin hanggang sa Taipei, napapanood ng PBA ganito. Kaya tayo may mga tapes na pinapadala sa ating mga kababayan. Kaya ito mga to
ito, cap-out situation for Chinese Taipei. Nakita nila, nandun si Marlu Aquino.
Parang nag-travel pa si Lin. Sablay yung tira.
Partner, yung depensa natin, talagang matindi na. Tumitindi. And the Chinese Taipei team feeling the pressure.
Oh, yes! Nice pass inside. And do you play? Meneses and Durendes, they used to play together. Dun po sa RFM franchise, and they're playing beautiful music again.
Unselfish play by Verhel Meneses. Pass, beautiful. Nice execution by Kenneth Durendes for the finish.
Lee from the outside, wala, tapik. Napulot. Lin, nilabas kay Cheng.
Oh, nice sliding play, pick and roll.
And Lin will be fouled by Verhel Meneses. Ling Xinghua will go to the free throw line.
Maganda yung play na yun, no? Number 6 player si Lin, getting the shot off, hindi lang pumasok. Maganda yung pasa galing kay Cheng. Outside to inside. Partner noong 1985 sa Jones Cup, Philippines also played Chinese Taipei. At nanalo ang Philippine team at that tournament carrying the colors of San Miguel Beer. Ang score noon ay 80-66. Alan Kaidik had 13 points in that game. At Samboy Lin also had 13.
Well, it seems like it's a different story today as Chinese Taipei mukhang talagang naghasa na sila. It's been a long time since we played this team. At ibang-iba na ang estilo ng kanilang paglalaro. Ang laki ng improvement, ano, Finito?
Malaki talaga improvement, no? In the last ABC, Chinese Taipei finished 6th. Philippines finished 11th.
Oo. Well, of course, hindi naman yung ating koponan na nandun. Samantala, wala yung tira ni Durendes. And here comes Lo getting away all the way to the basket. And the Chinese are back in this ball game. Panoorin natin ito. A fast break. Well, we'd like to thank FedEx, the transportation company of the Jones Cup games. FedEx will live to deliver. Meneses from the outside. Yes! PLDT long distance shot. Para kay Verhel Meneses. That's his second of the game.
Philippine team hanging on to the driver's seat. Yung outside shooting natin, ang ganda.
Palabas si Wang, tapik ni number 6, that is Lin.
Alam mo, partner si Kenny Durendes tapping that ball to Johnny Abarientos. Nice play again off the rebound.
Durendes, no shot, bounce pass. Abarientos, quick release, wala. Wang gets the rebound, pero nagawa ni Johnny Abarientos.
Johnny Abarientos, out of nowhere, blinding speed, the flying A.
And look at the crowd in jubilation. Aquino's inside, and he gets hammered, battered. At may foul na natawag laban kay Wang.
Partner dito si Wang, hindi pa napapalitan. From the very first tip, Wang has played. Show you the confidence that the Chinese Taipei coach has on number 15 player, yes.
Ang tulis pa naman ang siko nito si Wang. Panoorin nyo ito.
Uy!
Naku.
Sa tayo ngayon.
Yan pong slow-mo na yan, brought to you by McDonald's. Bante pa rin po tayo ng 4 na puntos, 49-45. Meneses, laban kay Cheng. One-on-one. Cheng. Oh, Meneses gets away. Oh, what a move!
Partner sa one-on-one. Diyan mo pwede talagang asahan nito si Verhel Meneses. No one can stop him one-on-one. They can't do it in the PBA. They won't do it in the Jones Cup.
The premier one-on-one player ng Pilipinas, Verhel Meneses, and a bad pass by the Chinese Taipei team. Throwing that ball away. Actually, pinapasa dun sa referee.
Alam mo, partner, gisigawan ng tao, no? That's the Philippine crowd.
Oh,
cheering the Philippines. At ang pressure yata, nandito na sa Chinese Taipei, no?
Here we go again. Meneses, one-on-one muli. Na double team. Inilabas kay Abarientos. Setting him up for a three-point shot.
Oh, yes!
PLDT long distance shot.
Oh, boy! Double team on Verhel. At partner, si Verhel Meneses, another assist pass.
Yes. Now he's making it happen. A one-on-one move. Now a setup para kay Johnny, and the lead is up to 9. 54-45. In a wink of an eye. Cheng. Quarter court, takes the three. Too strong. Picked up by Johnny.
Partner, ito si Johnny Abarientos. Probably the best rebounding small man in the business.
Oh, yes. Ang galing tumiming. He knows. Medyo, ano niya, naamoy niya kung sa pupunta yung bola eh. Meneses again. Laban, mas maliit na si Lee. Gets away from Lee. Natapik ang bola. However, sumama huli kay Huang. So it will remain with the Philippines. But it's been the aerial Voyager show. Verhel Meneses picking up a three-point shot and a great assist. And they certainly need a timeout now as the Philippines is on a roll. We're on top by 9. Nagpasimula po ang ating kampanya dito sa Jones Cup. sa paghahangad lamang na magkaroon ng tune-up. But our Filipino crowd and our Filipino fans in Taipei, well, hindi na lulubay ang kanilang kasiyahan dito. Talagang grabe naman ang naidulot na galak ng ating koponan dito sa ating mga kababayan.
Iba talaga yung feeling na when you see your national team playing it hard out, your heart swells with pride.
Oo.
And of course, kung ganito nilalaro ng Philippine team, you can't just be happy. You're ecstatic.
Oo.
Yan ang feeling, I'm sure, ng ating mga kababayan dito sa Taipei. As the Centennial team has opened up a 9-point lead at sila pa may hawak ng bola.
The pride of this whole nation nasa balikat ng 12 mama natin dyan naglalaro sa Taipei. Samantala sa play ang tira ni Marlo Aquino. At ang Chinese Taipei ngayon on the attack. They're down by 9. The Philippines led by as many as 7 back in the first half, pero nakahabol ang Chinese Taipei. Can they do it again? Here's Wang. Laban si Patrimonio. Inaatrasan si Alvin. Wang inside. Nilabas si Cheng. There's the defense of the Renders. Cheng gets inside. Wala yung tira. And Marlo gets the rebound. And there's going to be a foul here. Pinigil ang laro. Nakaturo yung referee kay Berhel Meneses, it seems. And let's see what gives here.
Kanina foul kaya yun.
Oh, here's that
What
move
is
ni
here?
si Cheng. And then Meneses will, ayun, may konting tulak sa likod.
But it could have been a warning, no, on the part of Cheng
Pwede
as he
rin.
came in. Kasi nandun si Marlo Aquino and he had to change his shot.
That slow-mo brought to you by McDonald's.
Alam mo, again, yung tulungan ng Philippine team sa rebounding, no? Si Alvin Patrimonio boxing out the big man Wang para makakuha ng rebound si Marlo Aquino.
Oo. Nasa labas si Lee. Here's Lin. Laban si Marlo. Power move and he gets the basket plus a foul. Laban si Marlo Aquino. And that's what we were saying. This Chinese Taipei team seems to be a unit na mabilis ang recuperating abilities.
Partner, I think they need to, no?
Nice move.
Maganda yung power move from the inside that despite the presence of Marlo Aquino, you watch this play right here. Si Marlo Aquino didn't really get his feet off the ground. He didn't try to block the shot. He tried to hold his ground. Hindi naman pumasok yung 3-point play opportunity.
Hindi pa nabuo ang 3-point play. Pito pa rin ang abante natin. 14 and a half remaining in the second half. We're looking for the Jones Cup today. Abarientos. Pinigil Marlo, ang ganda ng pasa. Sakto Marlo. Galit na galit. Nakikita mo naman yun. Agad ang lapi. And you can see in his eyes.
So emphatic, partner.
Yes.
May punctuation mark yung ginawa ni Marlo Aquino. And that, of course, will be a big morale booster, no, for the Philippine team.
As if they've been playing all their life together. Here's Lee. Binigay kay Cheng. He's inside. Nice move. And you have to like the way this Cheng moves without the ball, Pinito, ha?
Partner, even with the ball, the way he moves around. Ito.
Kita mo yan, oh? He really looks for the open space and looks for the ball, ha?
And of course, yung baseline, that's where he makes a living, no? Meron kang tira sa labas, but he loves to cut down the baseline.
Doremdes.
May baseline move din si Kevin Doremdes.
Wrap around move.
Boy!
And the Chinese Taipei coach giving instructions to his boys. Parang sinasabi niya, okay, sino merong suggestion how to stop this?
Parang juggernaut na nakikita natin, no? So many guns firing here for the Philippine Centennial team.
Cheng again, no!
Back-to-back baskets by Cheng. Siya na talaga nagdadala ng Chinese Taipei.
This is a shootout in Taipei. Doremdes faking, and he draws the foul. Laban kay Cheng. Chinese Taipei only committed 4 fouls back in the first half. Ang Pilipinas naman had 7. Here's that last foul. This slow-mo brought to you by McDonald's.
Partner, kanina binanggit ko that the Philippines finished 11th in the last ABC. I correct myself, we finished 9th. Noong 1993 sa ABC, that was the time when the Philippines finished 11th. But again, no, hindi naman natin pinapadala yung Philippine Basketball Association All-Star Team no, sa ABC. Pero ngayon, iba na ngayon ang nilalaro. This is the Centennial team made up of PBA All-Stars showing what they can do sa Jones Cup.
There's a foul called against Cheng. There's a one-on-one move ni Berhel Meneses. Watch it again. Poetry in motion. Berhel Meneses getting clipped, and he will go to the free throw line. Ang bilis ng head and shoulder fake nito. No free throws being given to Meneses. Just an inbound para sa Pilipinas. Chance of defense. Abarientos fall away jumper. Wala. Wang gets the rebound.
Ito sabi ng Chinese Taipei, let's set it up. Let's execute in the half court.
Lee with the leather.
And I think the reason why they are calling for the half court execution is because wala si Marlo Aquino sa loob.
That's true.
So they probably feel that, hindi naman po pwede yun. They try to penetrate, losing the handle. Ito, fast break attack. No
Meneses.
opportunity. At tira ni Meneses. Kumodbig na.
May blocking foul na itatawag laban sa Chinese Taipei.
Look of frustration on the part of the Chinese Taipei coach. Ito yung move ni Bernhard Meneses. Alam mo kung pumasok yun, that would have brought the house down.
Again.
Shake and bake move. Bernhard Meneses, the man of 1,001 moves.
Ang tinawagan ng foul si Lo. Philippines still on top here. Lastimosa, laban kay Lee. Right side of the floor. Lastimosa nabitawan ng bola, tinapik palabas. It will remain with the Philippines.
The officiating has been very fair, no? In a situation like that, could have gone the other way.
Lalo na, libo-libo yung naghihiyawan dyan. For both teams.
Ito si Kenneth is looking to post up.
Patrimonio. Cross court. Abarientos. Can't seem to find an opening. Patrimonio will take a three. Oh, yes! PLDT long distance shot para kay Alvin Patrimonio. He watched his step and he buried that one from over 20 feet.
Partner, 10 na lamang ng Philippine Centennial team thanks to that Alvin Patrimonio 3-point bomb.
At mahigit na kalahati na po nilalaro natin sa second half. Wang Huligan! Huligan Torrentes. Outside shot again. Wang. And the defense now starting to crank up.
Partner, yung malaki nila, 6'7", blocked by Kenneth Durendez. Yata naka-block
from nowhere.
Unbelievable block by Kenneth Durendez.
Here he is.
Leaping ability ni Kenneth.
Kenneth Doorbell! Oh boy, another 3-point shot. PLDT long distance shot again para sa PBA Centennial team.
Alam mo, partner, talagang merciless itong Philippine team natin, no? Meron ng killer's instinct.
That's right.
And that is something we didn't see in that exhibition against the Chinese team. Ngayon, may killer's instinct. I think they're very confident of what they can do on the floor as a unit, as a team.
In the first half, we shot almost 63% from the field. And Chinese Taipei about 53%. But here in the second half, talagang nag-iinit na po ang ating mga bataan, especially from downtown.
Ito si Cheng, partner. He's a one-man wrecking crew now for Chinese Taipei. He's not getting any support.
They move it around. Abarientos is the open man. Muntik na pumasok yun.
Ito, keeping the ball alive. Again, it's that ability not to keep the ball alive.
Yes.
To get a second attempt at the basket.
Zone defense now being played by China. At mukhang tayo naman spreading out the floor. Abarientos, very patient sa kanilang offense. Cross court, Lastimosa goes inside. Fall away jumper, wala, tapik na Patrimonio.
Alvin Adon, right place. A tip in for the putback, and Alvin the captain.
And the Filipinos, yan po sa Municipal Stadium ng Taipei, now really
pero partner, mahaba pa ang oras.
celebrating. Talaga, mahaba pa to. This is by no means a one game. Here's Lee, kicks it out. Tumama huli. Or may foul na itatawag laban si Johnny A. You know, one thing that was very good in the first half on PBA Centennial team only had one turnover. Here's that last foul. It's slow-mo brought to you by McDonald's.
Partner, you notice that here in the second half, Chinese Taipei, hindi sila nakakaset up for the 3-point shot. You notice in the first half, marami silang 3-point shot na tinapon. And naipasok, no? Because they shot close to 70% from 3-point range.
Talk
about 3-point shot. Alam mo, they're not getting good looks from that range.
Right.
Maganda ang depensa ng Philippines, no? Extending and they're challenging the outside shot. Kanya hindi na pumapasok yung outside shooting ng Chinese Taipei. Eto naman si Kenneth.
Wala rin yung kanyang tira. Wu gets the rebound. Napapasok rin lamang ni Wu. Here's Lo.
May Twin Towers combination ng Chinese Taipei. Ito ano yun?
Yes.
May banggaan, no foul, no call, and number 15 player again getting the shot. Now we talked about the Twin Towers combination partner. Ito, number 15. You see him coming from nowhere and making the shot on the putback.
That's Wang Chunxiong.
Yung 14 partner, may kalakayan din, no? Wu and Wang, two tall players now playing simultaneously for Chinese Taipei.
Espino nasa gitna. He has not yet been a contributor sa production, but certainly played tough defense here. Limpot nasa labas. Only 6 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Meneses, rather.
Oh, yes!
And Espino.
Dennis Espino. Offensive rebound, reverse shot. Nagmaman-to-man ngayon ng Chinese Taipei. Watch the way they cover the men. Pero nakuha ni Dennis Espino, ha?
Yung tinatawag natin basura na, naging ginto pa.
Oo. Well, nautakan niya dun si Cheng. He had good position on Cheng for the offensive putback.
Under 8 minutes to play, 13-point lead para sa PBA Centennial team. Lo, nasa kanto, fix, goes up for the three. Tumalog, offensive rebound this time by Lee. Wala pa rin, Abarientos gets the rebound. And the little man bringing it down. Johnny, binigay kay Dorentes all the way to the basket. It's a 15-point lead para sa Pilipinas. This is the biggest lead of the PBA Centennial team. And they're rocking the Municipal Stadium ng Taipei as the Philippines is about 7 minutes away from posting a huge win here. Johnny Abarientos and Kenneth Dorentes combining, and we're on top by 15. We'll be back for more action in just a short while. Diwang ang ating mga kababayan dyan sa Taipei Ginito, and with good reason. 15 na ang abante natin dito sa championship game.
Partner, playing as a team ang ating Centennial squad, no? Kanina nakita natin si Johnny Abarientos with the big defensive rebound. Tapos nakita niya si Kenny Dorentes wide open inside for the layup shot. And it's a 15-point lead by the Philippine Centennial team.
Binigyan ng pahinga si Johnny Abarientos. Austin Rosella is back in the game. He's up against Lee now, given a screen by Xiong. In the bus. Outside shot. Wala. Over Kapakot.
Two players from the Centennial team challenging that outside shot. And you're seeing tremendous intensity sa depensa ng Philippine team.
The improvement is very evident.
Oo.
Only 7 minutes remaining.
Ito yung man-to-man defense ng Chinese Taipei. Tignan natin if it will work.
Dorentes gets inside.
Oh, it doesn't work. And Kenny Dorentes again. Penetrating. Alam mo, partner, nakita nila. Nagmaman-to-man itong Chinese Taipei. Sabi siguro ni Kenneth, kayang-kaya natin.
Kaya mo ito. Malilit ito eh. Compared sa mga nakalaban natin.
Kasi wala sila masyadong stop eh. They're really not pressuring. And if you start your attack from the outside, hindi sila nagdo-double.
Oh. And they're not willing to give up their bodies. Unlike yung mga nakalaban natin, yung Costa Rica, yung even yung Saudi Arabia, talagang binabangga yung ating mga player.
Ito hindi yata sila sanay sa banggaan.
Alam naman yung ating kupunan sa PBA.
Yan ang hinahanap nila, no? Yung banggaan. Tsaka partner, one thing you also have to appreciate here is the Philippine team is playing intelligently. They're taking what the defense is giving.
On the other hand, mukhang nagkakalatoy-latoy na. Luray-luray na yung play ng Chinese Taipei. Nagkaroon ng mental lapse itong si Lee, ha?
At partner, pinangaralan nitong Chinese Taipei player ng isang referee who is from Chinese Taipei. And that's a sign of tremendous impartial officiating.
Well, the Philippines is on top by 17. This is our biggest lead. Alan Kaydik inside. Limpot, turnaround.
Oh, yes.
19-point lead para sa PBA Centennial team. We're on their way.
Alam mo, partner, parang 5 barrels ang baril natin. You know?
Hindi double barrel, you know?
All blazing. Ito yung 3-point shot. And that time, nakawala ang Chinese Taipei from 3-point region. Okay, may konting pressure ngayon coming from the number 13 player. Lee from Chinese Taipei. But very easily crossing the timeline naman ng Philippine Centennial team. Again, looking to run the triangle. Ito yung triangle.
Good play, pero wala yung follow-up ni Dennis Espino.
Nakuha pa ni Jun Limpot.
Limpot getting the offensive rebound muli. Inilabas nila. And they will set this one up again. Limpot. Out to Austin Rosella. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni Wang. At mukhang si Wang ay pagod na, ha, Kinito, ha?
But partner, wala siyang pahinga rito.
Nakatindig na lamang itong malaking mama ng Chinese Taipei. 16-point lead. Inside pass. Walang papasahan. Inilabas kay Cheng. Cheng. Quadruple teamed.
Kita mo naman, ha? The way that defense is collapsing and Alan Caidic is called for the foul. But ang ganda ng chemistry sa depensa, partner. Yung offense, of course, we know our Philippine team is extremely capable of tremendous firepower. No? Pero yung kanilang depensa, dito nila pinapakita. Kita mo naman the way they collapse on Cheng. At alam naman ng Philippine team natin na ito si Cheng is the most potent gunner of Chinese Taipei.
That slow-mo brought to you by McDonald's. As we wind down this ball game, ang Pilipinas on top by 16. It's just a matter of time if we can hang on here. Outside shot! Yes! 3-point shot para kay Lo. And that lead is down to 13.
But partner, ito si Olsen Rosella gambled a little bit by playing defense or doubling the defense on Cheng. Kanya nakawala si Lee.
Only that much time remaining here. A little more pressure being employed now. Oh, muntik na makakagaw. Tuluyan na nagaw. Here's Lo. Or rather Lee. Nilabas kay Lo. Lo is wide open again. Wala. And there's going to be a foul there.
Tulak sa ilalim.
Lastimosa.
And Wu making it very clear that he was pushed.
And look at this. Alan Caidic calling his teammates to a huddle.
Yes.
Parang, sila. Lapang tayo ng 13 dito.
Partner, with 4.5 to go, Johnny Barrientos sitting on the floor, sitting on the bench. Baka naman kailangan konting substitution na ni Coach Kim Cole. Let's see what he does after this timeout.
Chinese Taipei making a run, but we're still on top by 13. Welcome back mga kaibigan. Yan po ang matchup. But actually, I think that matchup Kinito, malamang hindi si Marlo yan. Ano? Si Kenneth Duremdes yata yung pinabanggit dyan. Ano?
That's right. That should be Kenneth Duremdes versus Cheng, no? Because both of them are leading their respective teams in scoring. 20 points si Kenneth at 22 si Cheng. Partner, alam natin the Chinese Taipei organizers, especially the television production unit, has been having a difficult time figuring out who is Marlo and who is Kenneth. Kanya, in fact, the roster of the Philippine team, according to the Chinese producers, has 2 Marlo Aquinos and no Kenneth Duremdes.
That's right, that's right. Well, after this tournament, they certainly will remember Kenneth Duremdes and Marlo Aquino.
Oh, without a doubt.
Napagpalitan pa nila yung kanilang mga uniforme.
Partner, we saw the glum looks of some Chinese Taipei fans as you take a look at the turnover situation. Only 2 turnovers by the Philippine team in this entire game so far.
You know, we've talked about the turnovers in so many games, Kinito. Nakita natin how it soared even against Thailand. We had about 20 plus turnovers there. Pero dito, 2 lamang in a championship game, ha?
Ito na naman, Rosella on Cheng. Still no sign of Johnny Barrientos checking in.
Cheng, nasa labas. Hinahamon ni Rosella. Natapik ni Olsen Rosella, pero may foul na tinawag against Rara Rosella.
And Coach Tim Cone giving some instructions to George Lastimosa. Now, I think they're aware that Cheng is the top gunner, so they want him to give up the ball. They don't want him to take the shot. Ito si Lastimosa yata natawagan ng foul or si Rosella. Well, we're not too sure, but it's Cheng on the line, and he is a deadly shooter.
Dead shot indeed. In the crowd dito po sa Municipal Stadium. Well, this Chinese crowd still hoping for a comeback sa kanilang home team. But of course, ang ating mga kababayan dyan sa Taipei ay medyo nagdadasal na matapos tong oras na to. Ika nga, mapanalunan na natin itong Jones Cup. Cheng.
Another chance here for Chinese Taipei.
Oh, nice pass inside. Cheng with the left hand. Masyado malakas.
Off balance si Cheng, and of course, that's not his shooting hand. Alam mo, partner, si Cheng once scored 34 points against White in the 1993 ABC Championship in Jakarta.
So he can score. Under 4 minutes to play. We're on top by 12. And hanging on. Caidic open for 3. Yes! PLDT long distance shot para kay Triggerman. And the Philippines has increased their lead to 15 with 3.5 remaining.
The big difference. The 3-point shot of Alan Caidic.
Natapal pa ni Alan Caidic. Tumira uli si Lee. Patay. Alright, bumabawi pa si Lee.
Chinese Taipei getting the 3-point shot back.
12-point lead para sa Pilipinas. At kayong mga nagpupuyat na kasama namin, alam namin hindi nasasayang inyong oras. This is certainly one of our best games here in the Jones Cup. And the boys saving their best for the last. 6 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Espino sa labas, outside shot, wala. We'd like to thank FedEx, the transportation company of the Jones Cup games. FedEx will live to deliver, and talk about delivering. What a great move mula kay Lee as he cuts down that lead to just 10. But his time on their side, mukhang nauubusan sila ng oras dito kay Nito.
Partner, I also think that the combination that Coach Tim Cohn has in the floor is a little bit winded, no? Marlo Aquino, Johnny Barrientos sitting on the bench. Maybe now is the time for the starters to check back in. Ito, tignan natin itong dribble drive ni Dennis Espino. He was fouled in midair.
Nasapal ng bahagyan, Huang, but the foul came before that.
And that was an arm contact, very clear on that replay. And Dennis Espino will be at the stripe. Ito si Johnny Barrientos, bumalik na sa laro.
At sinimpot ang mukhang uupo.
Alvin is coming in. Ito na. This is probably the finishing combination of Coach Tim Cohn checking back in.
Alam mo, pambihira talagang suporta ng ating mga OCWs, yung ating mga kababayan. You can see all their posters, their streamers. Talagang dito sa ating taon ng centenaryo, they're so proud to have a PBA Centennial team who is only about 2.5 minutes away from bringing back what we last held back in '85, the Jones Cup.
You know, one thing we've noticed about our Centennial team, partner, this is now a team made up of 12 pieces of the puzzle.
Oh, yes.
Wala na superstar dito eh. They've left, you know, if anyone has shown any ego in the PBA, walang ego dito eh. Wala na superstar dito. Everybody's playing as a team. Team player sila. Marlo Aquino incidentally is checked back in.
This is the starting unit ni Tim Cohn, maliban kay Jojo Lastimosa. Outside shot by Lo. Wala pa rin. Marlo Aquino controls.
Partner, under pressure on Chinese Taipei with this big deficit that they have, they're looking for the 3-point shot to even things up, no? Pero hindi na pumapasok yung 3-point shot ng Chinese Taipei.
At nakikita mo yung coach ng Chinese Taipei, parang sinasabi sa kanyang mga bataan, come on, pressure ng konti. At mukhang ubos na yung kanilang iga nga lakas eh. Medyo babad na babad yung mga malalarong ito. In the meantime, it's going to be a foul against Jojo Lastimosa on the attempt to run a fast break.
Well, maganda rin ang ginawa ni Jojo Lastimosa because he stopped the possible transition attack by Chinese Taipei. And that stymies the momentum. Although nasa penalty na yata tayo, so shooting free throws in Chinese Taipei.
The lead will be at the free throw line.
Now, the drawback of this, of course, is that the shot clock or the game clock will stop and Chinese Taipei will have a chance to trim down the lead with free throws.
Lee has been perfect from the free throw line. He has also made 3 out of 7 from the three-point range and 3 out of 6 from the field. A total of 18 points already. Make that 19. At ang abante po ng Pilipinas, bahagyan na lamang natapyas. Barrientos now handling the ball.
And they're looking to trap in the backcourt. Safely giving it over to
Malo! Nice feed! And that may be the exclamation point, Finito.
Ang ganda ng pasa galing kay Kenny Turendes and Marlo Aquino unmolested with that tough shot.
And the last 2 minutes is being brought to you by Pepsi, the next generation. And the Philippines only a minute and a half away from bagging this 21st William Jones Cup. And there's no denying the PBA Centennial team, Finito. Not even that 3-point shot. Pero mukhang huli na ang lahat para sa kanila.
You know, fighting spirit in Chinese Taipei, no, they're not giving up.
Ayaw mo mapahiya in front of your hometown crowd.
Now that lead, less than double figures now. And the Philippine Centennial team is milking the clock.
And look at this. You can just feel the intensity, the jubilation ng ating mga kababayan dyan po sa Taipei and of course all over the Philippines today, as the Philippines is just a few seconds away from registering this big win sa Taipei.
Partner, there was a foul. Wala pa naman sa penalty in Chinese Taipei. They need to be able to stop the clock and give up the fouls. Otherwise, that clock will just run. At matatapos itong laro na to.
That much time remaining before we call it a championship. Aquino, hoy! Sinakyan pa ni Wu. And you know, Marlo Aquino takes it in stride. He has been battered really badly dito sa seryeng ito.
Well, hindi naman sinasadya.
Hindi sinasadya yan. Ito mo, muntik na sakyan talaga.
Ewan ko lang kung hindi sinasadya pala yun. Ito, nakita natin, may tuhod yun. And very good-naturedly, si Marlo Aquino accepting the apology of Wu.
Half a minute remaining. Kapit pa yan. At kampiyon na po tayo sa Jones Cup. Marlo Aquino, wala. Offensive rebound sa kanya pa rin.
Ito naman.
Nakaisa rin ang
attempts by Marlo Aquino. Walang pumasok.
Here's Cheng. Pumuporman 3. Inilabas kay Lee for the 3. Short. Rebound by Johnny. 6 seconds remaining.
And it's Hernandez. Oh, boy, the back shot, and that should be it.
And
a 10-point win.
The Philippines wins the 21st William Jones Cup sa Taipei, and a big win para kay Tim Cone. He came, he saw, and he conquered. What a victory para sa PBA Centennial team, Kinito.
Well, partner, I think the Philippine team really showed its grit, no? Not only offensively, but especially in defense ng second half. Yung outside shooting ng Chinese Taipei was neutralized. Maganda yung extension ng depensa ng Philippine team. At saka it looks like they're really gelling now as a unit.
Lumaban po ng gustong-gusto itong Chinese Taipei team, but certainly our boys have done it, and we are champions once again ng Jones Cup. Kami po ni Kinito ay babalik para sa ating post-game right after this.